Do you struggle to find time for exercise in your busy schedule? Do you want to get a full body workout in just 10 minutes a day? You don't need a gym membership or expensive equipment to get in shape. This ultimate 10-minute full body workout is designed to help you burn calories, strengthen your muscles, and improve your overall fitness, even if you're short on time. Each exercise is performed for 30 seconds, followed by a 10-second rest period. You'll complete 3 sets of 4 exercises, targeting your legs, arms, core, and cardio. Exercise 1, Squat Jumps. 10 reps. Exercise 2, Push-ups. 8 reps. Exercise 3, Plank. Hold for 30 seconds. Exercise 4, Jumping Jacks. 20 reps. Remember to keep good form, breathe deeply, and push yourself to your limits. And don't forget to cool down and stretch after your workout. Try this ultimate 10-minute full body workout today, and see the results for yourself. Remember, every minute counts when it comes to your health and fitness. Thanks for watching.